So UPS civil service prelims is a very dangerous thing. Dangerous. When you use the words, every word has a indication. I'm not saying civil service prelims is tough. I'm saying civil service prelims is dangerous. And the last 1 month of prelims is deciding. Last 1 month. And that last 1 month is not dependent on studying. The last 1 month is dependent on two things: proper revision and stress management. Two things. Proper revision. 90% people fail to do the revision. They don't know how to revise. Topics of relevancy. My love, you are sure from here they are going to ask the question. There's a difference between GK and GS. GK is unlimited. General knowledge. GS is limited. General studies. This is the first step. Topics of relevancy. In every subject you are clear, this I have to revise because they are going to ask a question from here. And second is stress management. In academic examination, you have one paper one day. You have a history paper, it's a history paper. But in civil service prelims, history, geography, economy, ecology, environment, current affairs, all the paper one day, all subjects one day. It creates the mental blockade. All the aspirants preparing for civil service prelims go for mental blockade in the last 1 month. All. And if you fail to open this mental blockade, your game is over. There are 3 ways. Anything which makes you thoughtless makes you stress-free. Again, I will repeat. Anything which makes you thoughtless will make you stress-free. First one, laughing. If you laugh for half an hour in the morning and half an hour in the evening, or completely relaxed, you will say, how to laugh? There are so many comedy channels on YouTube. Pakistani loose talk is one of them. And second, pranayam. Bhastrika and Kapalbhati, 2 minutes. 4 minutes in the morning, 4 minutes in the evening. Finish. Third one I cannot say, you know very well. But that third one is the easy thing, but it will destroy you. So in today's lecture, I will tell you what is the topic of relevancy in ancient history.